Hey, how you doing? This is Garage Door Mike. And a question we get asked all the time is, how much of the window is going to be obstructed with a clip corner opening, or cottage corners, or cozy corners, or whatever else you want to call them? Those are the jambs that are made that simulate like half of an octagon. And you can see, there it is. That's not that much loss of glass. Now, there's no really one direct answer for this because each clip corner is different. I'm going to show you on the outside. This is a very larger type clip corner. I've also seen smaller ones where no window is affected at all. And then I've seen it where it's like this, where this is, in my opinion, not that bad because you still got all that window, you still got that window, you still got that window, and you still got this window. And this is a detached garage, so they don't even really care. But on a lot of the homes with attached garages, that is like an issue. They want as much window as possible, so they always ask, how much will you lose? Now, we don't have weather strip up either, but that would probably, you know, a little bit more, but not much. This is a 2100 Horman vinyl back. Got an old school LiftMaster Security Plus here, pumping it up and down. 14 gauge hardware, 11 ball nylon wheel. Torsion springs, of course. Warning tag up. Service ticket up. It's got the weight of the door. It's got the size, model, blah, blah, blah. Here's the hardware. 14 gauge, 11 ball wheel. Another service ticket. We put these service tickets on the door. These are on the sections that kind of hold them together. Then we peel them off and stick them on the door because it's got our name on it, so that's kind of a bonus, like a free sticker. There's another one we didn't take off. Some of them we do, some of them we don't. There's some more to hardware. Now, Horman gave me 2 right-hand bottom fixtures, so I had to reuse the old ones, which are in really good shape, but no biggie there. M-bearing plates. Yeah, I put the screws in backwards, so I'm going to have to deal with that. They don't come anywhere near the cable, and it's easier to impact wrench them on and tighten them up instead of flipping it to the other side. I've been doing that for a long time now. I know some people think it's wrong, but you're wrong, so don't worry about it. That's why I've been doing it for a long time. It does not, you can see it's nowhere near the cable. It just looks funky, and it's easier. Now this side, yeah, you could have got the impact gun on because you got lots of room here, but old habits sometimes are very hard to break. Like I said, I've been doing that a long time. It has no effect on the door, has no effect on the way it rolls, nothing. Zero, nada, zilch. So deal with it. Another service ticket. Another service ticket. Let's take you out to the outside and I'll show you. Long panel. And you can see these are a larger clip corner. These are over, gotta be almost, I would say 2 feet. Let me measure. I think too, if they went with raised panels on here, it'd be less. Yeah, you're at 24 inch. 24 inches there. If I could get this set up. Oh, rats. I'll show you here. This tape measure is so lame. There we go. You can see you're at 24. So this is a rather large clip corner. I think if they went traditional or raised panels, you wouldn't have probably that much effect at all, if any. Because you can see they come off the end a little bit. It's very hot out today. So there it is, Ranch 2100 vinyl back Horman door. For all your garage door needs, give us a call. 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook and we'll like you. Thanks for watching my video of the ranch door with windows with the clip corner. It's a beauty. Thanks for watching, and as always I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks everybody. We'll talk to you later.